How to trade on Bitget mobile app for beginners. Now, if you are a beginner on the Bitget mobile application and you're fairly new to crypto, what you want to do is maybe you want to learn how to trade. So to trade, first of all, we have to understand what trading is. Trading simply refers to the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies in order to gain some profit or sometimes unintentional loss. So what you want to do for this is, let's say once you log into your Bitget, from the bottom you can see the option called trade. So let's say today the value of Bitcoin is actually quite low, so I can simply choose to buy some BTC or Bitcoin right here. By setting an order, I can set a limit order, market order, advanced limit, and all the other options as such. Then I can tap on the buy after entering the amount that I wish to buy and then tapping the buy option. So I can add funds using my crypto deposit, transfer, loans, or quick buy or convert. Once I've bought that, let's say in the future I want to sell it. By the way, we are on spot trading. There are different ways to trade it, and I won't go to this in detail. There is margin trading, convert trading, copy, futures trading, and so on. Once you've bought a crypto and then you think that the value has increased and you want to sell it, go to the sell option and simply set the similar type of order. Tap on the sell option. Once your order is approved, the funds will be deposited to your account. You can also buy and sell in various ways. You can choose to receive crypto. If you come to assets, go to deposit, and then you'll be able to find all of your crypto addresses and so on. That's all it takes for you to buy crypto on Bitget app or trade on Bitget mobile app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.